Camera's rolling. Act happy. Tell us where we're at.
We're in Africa.
Bro, we ain't in Africa. We at the Rainforest Cafe, baby. You wanna see yourself?
Is that conceited? Ew, never mind, flip it over.
Alright guys, we just ordered. I just got the regular. Bro.
They sound like
The Rainforest needs to chill. Alright, now that the noises are over, me and Vanessa are probably the most basic people ever. Vanessa's never been to the Rainforest Cafe. I've only been here once, but I just got a regular burger and fries. Vanessa got a burger too, but you got a barbecue.
Why did I say bacon? Yes, barbecue.
Open it up. What's inside of it?
It's just, I don't know.
Oh, it looks like a Krabby Patty.
It does. Krabby Patty,
Bro,
Krabby
there ain't nothing
Patty.
in there.
Bro. It's just barbecue sauce?
Yeah. Just so y'all know, Vanessa's birthday is actually next week, so expect a birthday vlog again. And she's turning 21, so we're gonna come back here and we're gonna try this Corona Rita.
We are.
The first bite. Oh.
Yeah, the first bite.
Yeah, first bite.
It's big. That's what she said.
Bro. Is it good? We just got done eating. How was your first experience, Vanessa?
I'm glad you asked. My burger was great. I would rate this an 8 out of 10. What do you think?
I wanted to go to Chili's.
Alright, but
Post Rainforest shopping, trying to walk off the food. Came into Shoe Palace and found some Air Max 90s for 50 bucks. I really like them, so I think we're gonna get them.
yeah.
Why do you like boba so much?
I don't know. Only 50 bucks for some 90s? Are you kidding me?
Only 50 bucks for some 90s? Are you kidding me?
I should have come to, for sure.
You should have. We could have matched. Here they are, guys, the Air Max 90s. The 90s are probably my favorite. Bro. Anyways, the 90s are probably my favorite shoe, but the color is probably not my favorite. There's one of these that is called Barely Rose. I'll put it up on the screen for you guys so you can see it.
Is it like a blush color?
But yeah, that's probably like the one pair of 90s that I actually do want.
Alright guys, me and Vanessa came to the arcade. We're trying to get this Yoshi.
Nice. Okay, so I want that claw to drop right there, double clamp, lift it up, and drop it, okay? If it rotates that way, I'm screwed.
Hey, baby! Yay!
Alright guys, I'm feeling this win right here.